Hello, this is just a short message to let you know that future videos will be properly narrated. I have just purchased a microphone as well as a audio mixer. However, this is my first time doing anything audio related, so it's taking a while to figure out the proper settings for the microphone. But once that's all been figured out, future videos will be narrated properly rather than using text. As you can probably tell, the audio quality is very inconsistent and keeps changing volume. So until those issues are resolved, we'll continue to use text-to-speech, just so that I'm actually able to provide content in the form of videos rather than having to put the channel on hold for even longer while I attempt to figure out how to get this microphone working. I'm going to have a friend who has a decent understanding of audio related stuff to take a look at this microphone and audio mixer so that hopefully he will be able to fix the settings on it and I'll be able to provide audio that's actually of a consistent quality and doesn't change in volume and cut out, which is the current situation. I don't feel comfortable narrating videos until this issue has actually been resolved. So that's why the currently released videos are using text-to-speech, but hopefully this will get fixed as soon as possible, as I want to be able to provide videos with an actual decent audio quality, and this isn't it. So until this issue is fixed, I will continue to use text-to-speech, but over the course of the next few days, I should be able to get this issue fixed and we'll be able to start properly narrating videos. That's all I wanted to say, just a quick update on where things are, as this quality is too bad to rely to produce any videos.